I'm Dylan Kroekeberg. I'm the assistant shop manager at ATS East in St. Cloud. The express lanes that were set up at ATS East is the shop's portion of onboarding for a new driver. Before we had these lanes, onboarding was pretty chaotic as far as our part. Everything was pretty well scheduled out all through orientation. Once the drivers got their trucks, they got certified, kind of got handed their trucks, they were told, all right, head over to the shop. Go to MEC, they'd be kind of lost. Obviously, this is a very big building. It's overwhelming the people that actually live here. You got drivers coming from all over the country. So the express lanes are part to kind of rein all that in. Everybody, once they're certified, has to go through the express lane. They'll get their MEC kit. We will have a technician, a service leader here, meet with the drivers, ask them, hey, do you have any questions about your new trucks? Have you been in a Freightliner before? Are you familiar with the accident mitigation? Every single truck, we're gonna start up your bunk heater. If you have an APU, we're gonna start that up. We're gonna tell you how to do it. We're gonna walk around the truck with you. We're gonna ask you, were there any issues that you found? A lot of times when lease drivers sign their trucks, they do their inspections and they find, a couple items here or there. We take care of it, we address it right away. It gives us that opportunity, a dedicated space that's open. Every truck's coming through here, we can take care of you right away. Sometimes we find issues that need a little more time, but then since we're already in the shop, service leaders, technicians are present, we're able to get it scheduled in right away. What these lanes have done for us so far, it's kind of taken away all of the chaoticness of after-class issues. The biggest thing that we're doing with the drivers is we're actually logging into their tablets with them, their ELD devices, making sure that everything connects with their truck, their global ID, everything's synced up properly, doing it in front of them so they get that first, okay, yeah, no, this isn't an instant thing, it takes 5 minutes sometimes. We'll walk you through how to reset the box, anything that somebody just getting into a truck should know, but we also don't want to cram too much information down your throat because we do know you're brand new to the company. You've had a lot of information shoved at you all week. So being able to take care of all those issues up front has been awesome from a maintenance standpoint for us. And the drivers that have given us feedback, it's been nothing but great things. We have 2 lanes in St. Cloud. One is used for MEC all the time. They'll pull them in, get them loaded up with whatever needs to be on his way. You're always loading inside. You're not moving equipment back and forth outside. And then we have one that's dedicated to the shop side as well, Express Lane 1, which if we deal with a lot of walk-ins. We're an appointment-based shop, but there's always walk-ins. We have an area where we can send the drivers, okay, pull it to Expressway 1. We're gonna send a tech down there. We'll line you up. We can give it 2 at a time right now. A technician can come down, plug in, do a quick diagnosis. Maybe it's something that's 30 minutes or less. He can fix you up, get you out the door. Maybe you do actually need to go to a dealer because it's a very serious issue, or we just got to get you in a little later and we can address that with you right away. Overall, having the express lanes has improved the onboarding experience that we've noticed. It's taken away all the confusion. It's kind of given order, given clear direction, and given our brand new drivers a lot of support right off the bat, rather than giving them a brand new truck at a brand new company and just tossing them out into the world. So it's been a very good improvement.